Hi, how's it going? I'm just going to show you how to set up the Safari trekking harness. I'm just going to put this straight onto the mannequin just to make things easier for the video. That goes over your back and your shoulders. And included in the packaging, you're going to get the bottom strap and you're going to get the top set of straps. So you can carry your camera and your binoculars at the same time. This strap over here is just an extra strap to set up onto another camera or binoculars. So we don't need this at the moment. We can just take the strap off the harness. Okay, first thing you've got to do is you've got to set up the bottom set of straps. So you're just going to take those two clips straight off, and these are going to be set up onto your camera. That's the male clip, that's the female clip. The female clip is going to go onto the right hand side of your camera or your binoculars. You're just going to feed that through the little strap connections on your camera and do a loop knot. Just like that. And you do the same for the other side. If you're having difficulty getting it through the little eyes on your camera or your binoculars, you can use some fishing line to help you pull it through the holes, because you'll be surprised on what small gaps it can go through with the assistance of fishing line. Otherwise, if your eyes are too small on your cameras and your binocular, you can go to the hardware and you can just buy some rings and you can set those up onto your camera or your binoculars. The straps are quite thick as they're designed for heavy weights, so just make sure you get heavy duty clip. Okay, so that goes on the top strap, that goes on the bottom strap, and there your harness is set up. There's no weight on your neck. If you want to carry a second accessory, you put that on the top strap. Just take those two straps off and then you set this up onto your binoculars. I've already got one set up here just to make the video go quicker, but you basically just put it on the same way that you normally put your neck strap on. That goes on the top, goes on the top there. Just remember, the harness is always going to have something on the bottom strap for it to work. So if you're only going to carry one accessory, never ever carry it like that on the top. Always make sure there's something on the bottom. If you're just going to carry your camera, you have it like that. If you just want to carry your binoculars, then you take your camera off and you'll slip the binoculars up on the bottom strap. In the beginning of the video, that's what that second strap was for. You can always have your binoculars set up as well. Then your harness is ready to go. To adjust the size of it, you just adjust the size at the back of the harness. So you'll just tighten that over there or loosen that, and you can cut the strap and burn the ends, or you can just roll it up. Thank you for watching the video.